Hello again, we're here with Alan, our structural project lead. We're going to talk about the tall wood building, Brock Commons Phase 1, 18-story heavy timber building, and using DELMIA to optimize the sequence and visualization. All right, what are we doing?
So what we're doing right now, we're starting from the point they will install the wood panels, the CLT panels.
Mm-hmm.
So they have all the concrete structure up already.
Of the cores, right?
The cores and the first level of wood columns. So they will install the CLT panels.
Mm-hmm.
So what we try to show here is the order of installation and also like the way that they will install the panels.
Mm-hmm.
So they will bring them here one by one, and after that they will install those wood splines between them.
Yep. So what was that, lifting logs that were coming off?
Yeah,
Before
those
that?
are lifting
Yeah.
logs. We try to show that they will only use 3 sets of lifting logs.
Okay. So that's the order they're gonna go in, and the amount per truck. How many panels can fit on a truck? Roughly?
So this is for the first truck. So
Yeah.
we have a total of 3 trucks. They have 26 or 27 panels.
Okay.
So right after they will install the first truck, they will start putting the guardrails.
Mm-hmm.
This is the second truck. Also after they install the second truck, they start putting guardrails.
Mm-hmm.
I will fast forward. This is the third truck. So
And what were those? Those are all the splines?
yeah, all the splines, because for the second and third truck I didn't show the splines right after they installed the panel.
Right, just because it's
just to
yeah.
save time and
Okay.
not to have a very long video.
Mm-hmm.
So I will fast forward.
So for safety reasons, the guardrails
Yeah.
come in. Now that's the drag
So
strap.
after that they will install the drag strap. This is already day 2. So when we play the final video, when we will put here the day.
Mm-hmm.
So they need to remove the guardrails to
Mm-hmm.
be able to install the drag strap here, and they also have a perimetral angle that they need for the facade. So this is the one that I told you about.
Mm-hmm.
So they will they will remove guardrail only to allow them to install 1 or 2 angles, and after that they will put it back.
Okay. You can go a little faster on this one.
Yeah, after that they
So
will.
how many bundles of columns are coming in?
Here I'm not sure. I think they have 8 or 9.
Okay. So if you go through, then you have your temporary shoring.
Yeah, we have the temporary shoring here and the spreader between the columns.
Mm-hmm.
So that's to allow them to have them perfectly vertical and in the right location.
Prior to flying in the panel above, right?
Yeah. So when they start installing the panels, the first step is that they will remove those spreaders
Mm-hmm.
so that they can put the panel there. Yeah, so here we install the panels. So as you can see, I did it a bit faster than the previous floor. That just to save time and
Because it's a repetitive process.
yeah,
right?
exactly. So it's gonna be the same. So we just gonna show it like this, just to have like a shorter video in
Yeah.
the end, not to have like 2-hour video.
Okay. So you got like angles coming in. I
Yeah,
guess
so
a couple-
removing the guardrails, putting the angles there, and putting the guardrail back in.
Now the facade comes in.
Yeah. So the facade will come in. So when they install, this is actually the same day as the angles. So
Mhm.
actually when they put the angles here, they will put the facade here. So the facade, they will install the facade in 2 days. So they will have 2 trucks of panels. So this is the end of the first day of the facade, and this is the day after, where they will install the columns at the 4th floor. And in the same day, they will install the facade at the 2nd floor, the second track of facade.
So it's 2 floors behind, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And then they leave that opening for materials, right?
Yeah, they will load the materials through this opening.
Good. So I guess we could probably speed it up until we get into the loading decks.
So what they are planning to do is to use like a mobile crane or something to load the materials for the first 3 floors.
Okay.
And starting to the 4th floor, they will have a fixed platform, and after that they will have like a removable platform for the next floors. So we will see that in a few seconds.
There
That's the fixed platform. And here they will have a retractable platform, so it will retract to let them use the platform that is below.
Okay. There you go. So once it, yeah, here, oh, that's the retractable platform.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can slide in and out. Perfect. So, yeah, so once you get to the end, maybe I'll just fly into, let's say, the 6th floor there, and then put it in perspective and show us kind of level of detail. Obviously, we're seeing it kind of at the macro level, but if you zoom in, there's pretty good detail in this model, right?
Yeah. So the model, it's much more detailed, but for the purpose of this animation, we didn't put every single detail here. So if we go here and if we change,
maybe if you go to the yeah, there you go, the nuts and bolts.
yeah, we have the nuts and
all the
bolts.
grooves.
And
It's all
everything.
fabrication.
And this is the drag strap here, and this is the angle that they will put here to be able to put the panels.
And if you go above to the spline or to the spreaders,
Yeah.
yeah, there you go.
If we go here, we can see how the spreaders works.
Yeah. Great. And those angles on the edge, what material is that? Is that just a little steel piece?
Yeah, those are steel angles. I made them different color just to see where one stops and where the other starts.
Looks great. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
CATIA and DELMIA 3D Experience for a tall wood building. Cheers.